Cool. Happy Juneteenth, second stream of the day. So we are working on a latterly.teachable replacement. So teachable says to me, we cannot let you enroll any more students. You have too many students. You need to pay us more money if you would like to enroll more students in your free course. The problem is it's a free course, so I'm not like earning a bunch of money to be able to pay for that upgrade. So instead, I will build my own. So here is the deployed site, latterly3.vercel.app. Here I'm logged in. The current state of it is that you can create an account and log in, and that's all that it does. In today's stream, I'd like to do a few things. First of all, I'm trying to get Stripe integrated. Second of all, I would like to have a to-do list of like 5 or 10 items so that this actually becomes like useful to people who log in. They can log in and they can understand, at least at a high level, steps they need to do to be job ready for an entry-level job. So let's write this down. Current stream, 3 things to do. 1 is Stripe integration. 2 is 5 to 10 item basic checklist. And then 3 is domain forwarding with Cloudflare. So currently, if I go to latterly.io, this is a WordPress site because I thought that I was going to use WordPress because I thought it would be easier, and it ended up being more work than help. And so I built my own. So the current way it works is you go to Latterly, and then Latterly tells you to go to this Vercel app. What we should just do is this should be latterly.io. They should be the same thing. And I'm thinking to do that with Cloudflare, although we might use Vercel DNS. Thanks for the follow. If you're on TikTok, please tap the video, give it a like. We're just kicking off, and if we get some likes on there, TikTok will send the video around so other people can join us. Okay, great. So before I started getting all crazy, I wanted to make sure that I have the ability to preserve my database. This is a small thing that I've done between streams, is I've made backup users and restore users. I don't have like a whole database backup, but I'm really interested in backing up the users in particular. And that is now basically done. The one caveat is I have this hard-coded path and I need to update that. So we'll do that briefly and then we can move on. I will also create an issue for full site periodic backups. Supabase might already do this. Not sure. If they don't, then I need to implement that. Every 48 hours-ish should be fine. Or between releases. The idea is that a new release could break DB. So I need to back up site before DB breaking migrations. I think that's pretty much it. Cool. So here in this package JSON, you can see that I built a migrate script that backs up users, migrates, and then tries to restore users. So the users are safe, but there's all the other things that users are going to be associated with. Those things are currently at risk. But that's okay because that's like inessential data, basically. So many tabs. Yep, that's right. Thanks for being here. Okay. So the backup worked. Oh, great. The Postgres is, the key is right there. So I need to reset my Postgres after the stream. All right, cool. Cool. So if you're going to hack me, be quick. There it is. This is looking good. We backed up the users. Let's remove that console.log. GPT has the syntax for the file relative, more generic path, basically. See, here we're using path.resolve dir name. So this is the trick, basically. Okay. So we require path and use this syntax instead of this syntax, but it should do the same thing. I have the back users file get ignored. It's get ignored. I'm going to delete it. And then we will try to reconstruct it now that I have altered the path syntax. So npm run users backup is the script. Backup completed. Here's the file. And it seems to have worked. I'm not going to inspect the values, but that looks like correct data to me. Cool. So then let me grab this that we use in the backup and use the same approach for restoring. So we're referring to the same location at restore time. Lucas on YouTube. What's up? What's up? Good to see you. If you're on TikTok, you can go to the link in my bio, go to my YouTube channel and see the full screen. This is the second part of a multi-part stream series, so the playlist is over there on YouTube as well. Okay, so this is all looking good. So this is going to be feature, backup, and restore users. So now I don't have to worry, and you don't have to worry. If you create an account on Latterly, you don't have to worry about losing your account. By the way, you can sign up for Latterly in my bio as well. So if you're on TikTok or whatever platform you're on, go to my bio. You'll find a link like this. And latterly.io is right at the top. Right now it takes you here, and we want that to go straight to the new site. So let's do the domain forwarding now. Do you prefer coding on Mac or Windows, and why? Pretty much on Mac. There's just less bugs. I do like my Windows machine, but I like it more for games, basically. Okay, so let me poke around Vercel and see if I can figure out a way to do the domain forwarding on Vercel. Here's Latterly domain. Enable Vercel DNS, okay. You need to use Vercel name servers. So I can go alter my name servers. I was hoping to just forward for now. Okay, so we can do this in 2 steps, basically. Name server update takes like hours. It won't be able to work on stream, but that's okay. So we'll do this in a couple stages. First, let me uninstall. First, let me set up forwarding. So I'll go over to Cloudflare. Cloudflare is already aware that I own the Latterly domain. Invalid Prisma user create. Null constraint violation on the UUID field. Ooh, bummer. Hold on. Is the UUID, it's not being automatically created? UUID. Let me try to create a new user too. That's a total bummer. Log out, join now, email. I'll use this email this time. Yeah, okay, so let's fix this before we do anything. Null constraint violation on the field UUID. Ah, okay, I know what this is. Thanks for bringing this to my attention. So we'll go to the sign up page. Laterally sign up, there's a mutation here. Here's the sign up form. Use mutation, sign up mutation. Here's the sign up mutation. And the issue is that here, we are not creating a UUID. Now this shouldn't matter because Prisma should be creating the UUID, but it's apparently not working. Ooh, there might have been a Vercel deployment issue. Let's check on that. Nerve Scuttler, what's up, what's up? So it says that this works. Backup and restore users commit built successfully, it says. Let's check if this is a Postgres specific issue. I can also ask GPT and Google this. It seems like the UUID is not here. Let me actually paste the error literal instead of saying it seems like whatever. What are you using for the backend? Next.js with Prisma. Prisma is the ORM. The error is usually caused by a lack of this directive, but you have it, right? So let's go over here. Yeah, I have it. This might be due to a Prisma limitation. Prisma doesn't execute database level functions like UUID when using SQLite. However, you mentioned that you're using Postgres. You may want to confirm the migration to Postgres. Yes, it happened. Regenerate the Prisma client. Okay, that could be the issue. The issue could be that when we build, we don't regenerate the Prisma client. So let's look in my package.json. So here's Blitz build. So I will push that as sort of a naive fix, but let's go ahead and confirm. coffee shop codes. Yeah. Cool, it says running it before build would be most beneficial. That's what I did. That shouldn't be necessary. That's what I think, and that's the same thing that it is saying. But we are just checking it out just to see what happens. Let's go to the deployments. We have this new deployment. Let's see if that fixed anything. Okay. That seems to have fixed it. So, Adam, thank you so much for bringing the issue to my attention. Can you try it again, please? Works for me. Awesome. Adam is daddy mode. Gave Adam a follow. Okay, cool. So we could have done some other things, but that fixed it. So let's let sleeping dogs lie. That's a saying, right? Isn't that a saying? Let bygones be bygones. That's definitely a saying. Okay, so back to the domain forwarding task. So here's the latterly DNS. We want to set up, it's called a page rule. It's called a page rule in Cloudflare. Rules, page rules, okay? So we can see there are no page rules here. And we're going to create a page rule. And we want a redirect or a forwarding URL. A permanent redirect to latterly 3 Vercel. And this will be a, actually this will be a temporary redirect. I don't know if I need the HTTPS. Let's see. Okay. So we have the dub here, and then we'll try it without the dub as well, but let's go to this one first. Boom. Cloudflare is so awesome. It just immediately forwarded. Bam. So now you skip this page that you saw. This page where you have to like click the link and the page looks kind of sus, to be honest, doesn't it? You just skip that now. Okay, let's also do the dubless. So just latterly.io. This one is still taking you to Sussville. I hate the way I talk sometimes. Okay. So latterly.io /* will also redirect to, temporary redirect to the same end state. And we saw that it worked with the HTTPS. Save and deploy the rule. Now let's try the latterly.io doubless. Immediately forwards. You know we love to see a win. W in the chat for a win. A win is a win. Tap the like button. A win is a win. Oh, food is here? Awesome. Good timing, by the way. Okay, so now I can go to GoDaddy, where the WordPress install is hosted, and basically uninstall it and not use it anymore. Does that have bleach in it?
No, it's a disinfectant though.
Okay. Hosting, here's my cPanel. cPanel admin. GoDaddy is a nightmare. No, GoDaddy's great. You just have to use it for the right thing. They're great for WordPress hosting. I wouldn't use it for like an advanced application host. I mean, if you heard they're a nightmare, that's probably why. But whenever I call them, I can call them at like 10 p.m. at night, and they're still great. I've never had a problem with them. This is DNS management. No, I want to go to the cPanel admin. What is going on? Okay, so here's my cPanel. Bro, what is going on? Let me check the network tab. Okay, it's just laggy. That's fine. I recently got a free .gay domain from them because of Pride Month. Oh, that's cool, I guess. I use pork bun for all my domains. Never seen that one. Okay. I don't want to get off track, but we can check it out really quick. Cool. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they look fine, right? Okay, let's go to WordPress. So here's the application install. And now I can basically just uninstall it. There's the uninstall. Thank you so much. Lazy Dog, nice. There's this restaurant in Northern Virginia called Lazy Dog. It's really cool. Miguel says, I really like them, to be honest. Cool. Hey, thanks for being here, Miguel. Y'all, this is going to be a short stream. I'm literally wrapping up in the next 5 minutes, so make sure you follow the page. And link in my bio, YouTube, where the playlist will be. So if you ever dive into a stream and you're like, I don't have context, like I don't know what's going on, you can check out the whole playlist, which is saved on YouTube. Okay, so here we deleted these two. Let's make sure this doesn't exist anymore. It should be a dead site. Yeah, it's a dead site. Subdomains. Thanks for the follow, Chris. So here's the beta subdomain. Delete that, clean that up. Are you sure you want to permanently destroy it? They're so dramatic. Namecheap and pork bun, I find myself buying a lot of $1 domains. Yeah, I could never. Bros managing cPanel. Bros managing DNS with cPanel. Dude, cPanel's goated. Laterally.afterecon.com. This should be a dead site as well. DNS probe fail. Good. So let's remove it. And then here we are. Let's refresh this page. I don't really know why they are still labeled when they are fully dead. You must remove the add-on domain. Oh, okay, that's fine. I think it's good enough. No one's really going there, right? We uninstalled the app. That was the main thing. I guess I can remove. I don't know. Do I want to remove it here? I want to leave that alone, actually, because I might want to do like email or something. Okay, so it looks good to me. Closing all of this. And now if I go to laterally.io, boom, it takes me to the Vercel app. So if you're on TikTok, you can sign up for Laterally now. You can go, oh, where's my link tree? It's like gone or something. Okay, here it is. So this is the link in my bio. You can click that, and then it says latterly.io, or you can just type it in your browser, latterly.io, right? Boom. And it takes you here, and you can sign up. That's going to be it for this stream. Let's see, what did we want to do? We got 1 out of the 3. So follow, because in the next streams, we're going to create a basic checklist of to-do items that you should do to help you land your first programming role. And we're going to do a Stripe integration so that you can do things like sign up for chat, basically like Latterly Chat GPT, which is kind of like Chat GPT, except it knows about the Latterly curriculum. And basically, it's like a always available mentor. So if you're like, hey, I want to ask John a question, but John's busy, you could go to this Latterly GPT, and you'd be able to talk to it. That's kind of the idea there. So that will be a subscription item available on the site in the future. Talk to you soon. Bye.